Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Okay, so today we are going to make a beef stroganoff with 3 ingredients. We're starting off with 1 pound of hamburger that we are going to cook and then drain, okay? So cook your hamburger. I am waiting for my burner to get hot. Once we get finished cooking our hamburger and that we drain it, we're also going to dump in our second ingredient, which is a 8 ounce of sliced mushrooms. You can definitely use canned mushrooms, okay? And then we're going to go in with 1 cup of sour cream at the end. And that's our 3 ingredients right there. And I'll show you how. Okay, our burner finally started heating up. All right, friends, now we do have to cook those mushrooms. Unless you have canned mushrooms, then you don't have to do this process. You could just do it in the end. Okay, dump your mushrooms in so we could cook those. So we're just waiting until this hamburger gets done. As soon as that hamburger gets done, we definitely could start draining out any grease that may be left. This is going to definitely be delicious. Okay, now the mushrooms are done. The hamburger is done. Now let's drain the fat out. All right, here's our last ingredient. We need a cup of sour cream. All right, what we want to do is just let that sit there. We don't want it to like curl, but my burner's still hot. I have an electric stove. I'm going to put the lid on this, then I'm going to push it off of the burner, okay? I want to stop the cooking process, and I want to heat up that sour cream so I could stir it into the mix. Okay. Now that sour cream should be nice and easy to mix in. Okay, if you feel like the sour cream is too thick, you could throw just a little bit of milk in there. Just so you could see it just a little bit. It's a little bit. And I feel that's going to make it even more, a little bit more creamier. And I see it is. Okay. I like to throw a little bit of salt in here. And let's get a little bit of pepper. And then stir. Okay, it is now done. And that's it. There are your 3 ingredients. Mushrooms, hamburger meat, and sour cream. I'm going to take this off of the burner. And you can eat it like this or top it with more sour cream. You can put it over toast. But this is the 3 ingredients. And it doesn't take long. And it's not that expensive to make. But I'm definitely going to taste it right now. That's very delicious. Okay, friends, let me know what you thought about the recipe and if you're going to do anything different to it. I know I have made something similar to this, but with noodles. But this is my 3-ingredient beef stroganoff. If you like the recipe, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more budget-friendly recipes, please subscribe. But most of all, friends, please keep cooking, and I love you all.